Hey guys, welcome back to the Craft Planet. In today's video, I'm going to show you a card for Friendship Day. So let's begin. Take a cardstock measures 30 centimeters. Now mark at 3, 12, 21 and 30 centimeters. Join the markings. Fold from the lines. I am making this card for a special card, that's why I left that space. You can skip. Now for making the envelope, take a paper, fold it and make a triangle above. Paste a pic. Now you can write message inside. Make one more similar to this. Take another pic and paste. Now take a paper and paste its 3 sides as shown. Now make 2 tags like this and write any message or paste picture. Take 2 more pictures and paste, write any message. Now I have taken a paper and roughly cutting it. Write any message inside that. Now for making cake, I am using different papers and pasting them in layers. You can decorate these pages as per your choice. Now for this page, I am taking red and yellow color paper and cutting in a tag manner. Now you can paste stones on it, purple stones. Now our card is ready.